Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I customize my ring pops. So let's get started. In here I'm showing you all of the text and elements and the label that I use to create my ring pops. And what I'm going to do is use the exact same design that I use for the Capri Sun Halloween snacks. And I'm going to size it to fit the ring pop label. Since we aren't having a party this year for Halloween, I do think that these would be a great addition for the kids. And once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and save my image as a PNG and print it out. And for this tutorial, we will use our scissors, our labels that we just printed out, our ring pops, our double-sided tape, and our paper crimper, which is optional. And of course, the first thing we're going to do is cut out our labels. This is my first time doing the ring pop labels, so this is also a test one. Now we're going to take our double-sided tape and take the perimeter of the back side of our label. And to me, most of the labels are really assembled the same way. Then we're going to pull off the backing from our double-sided tape. Take our ring pop. And we want to connect these two. Connect the shorter ends first. Am I even in shot? I'm trying to look and look. And then we're going to pinch the ends closed. So I think I'm going to make the labels a little bit bigger. And because you've watched so far, I will have this particular design for free on my blog. Check the pinned comment down below. And this one just really fit perfect. So I guess they just like all the rest of the snacks. None of them are really like the same size. And this is optional for the crimps. I'm going to get my paper crimper. And this is to add the ruffles at the end of the snacks. See? And there we have it, our beautiful custom ring pops. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious.